Hi guys, I got a question over email and I wanted to go ahead and address it. It's a little bit of a different example. So, how do I write a repeating decimal using sequences and series when a part of that decimal doesn't actually repeat? So, an example of that would be 0.27777 dot 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 dot. All right, so the piece of this that doesn't repeat is that 2. That's just a part that's added on. So that's how we need to think of it, is just a separate piece that I'm going to add on in the end. So I have that 0.2, so I'm going to take that 0.2, and I'm just going to throw it over here on the left. And then if I rewrite this without that 0.2, I've got 0.0777. All right, now that looks like more of a repeating decimal that I'd like to deal with. So the first term is going to be that 0.07. 0.07. And then it repeats every single decimal place. So we're going to use 0.1 as our R. All right, so 0.07 times 0.1 squared plus, just 0.1 to start off, 0.07 times 0.1 squared plus dot, 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 so on and so forth, keep raising the exponent. So the next one is going to be 0.07 times 0.1 cubed. All right, so that gives us our little bit of the pattern. So here, we're going to chunk all of that together and just kind of forget about the 0.2 in the first step. So here, my a sub 1 equals 0.07, and my r equals 0.1 since it repeats every single decimal place. If it repeated every 2, like 78, 78, 78, it would be 0.01. And so for this chunk, I'm going to use my formula, s equals a sub 1 over 1 minus r. A sub 1 in this case is 0.07, and r in this case is 0.1, so 1 minus 0.1. And doing a little bit of math here, that is 0.07 over 0.9, so that's like 7 over 90. All right, now that is the sum of just this chunk in addition to that 0.2. So my final answer, my total sum, so I'm just going to label this s sub t, so they're a little bit different. So this can be the sum of my series, and this is my total sum. All right, it's going to be that 0.2 plus 7 over 90. And that's going to, I'm just going to plug that into my calculator, as you can see right here. All right, plug in my calculator, 0.2 plus 7 divided by 90, and let it do the work. So I get the correct decimal there, and then I'm going to press math, enter, enter, and that gives me 5/18. All right, so good question. Thanks for the emails. If you guys have any more, please feel free to shout out and contact me because we have a quest 2-section test tomorrow.